Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Vastarmor Radeon RX 7800XT alloy GPU. So friend, this was possible thanks to recent launch of Radeon RX 7800XT alloy white, a new color option based on the existing alloy series. Since we do not cover all Vastarmor release, it would be good to remind our readers that company offers three models: Super Alloy, Alloy and Starry Sky. So friend, thus alloy GPU is seat the mid-range segment featuring custom cooling design and factory overclocking, and the white edition offers a 2565 MHz boost clock, the same as the black edition, which is 135 MHz higher than the Starry Sky. And the RX 7800XT has a full navy 32 GB with 3840 stream processor and comes equipped with 16 GB GDDR6 memory, and the alloy white requires two 8-pin power connector, and it is also a 2.5 slot design that measures 327.9 mm. So although this is Radeon GPU, it still would not match NVIDIA's recommended specification and SFF system. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.